to my channel. Okay, so many people have been asking me to guide them on how they can prepare their slide for their SIWES presentation. And if you have been having confusion on how you can prepare your slide, and then you are on the right page, because in this video I'll be guiding you through on how you can prepare your slide for your presentation. First of all, what is a slide presentation? I would like to tell you that a slide presentation is a visual communication that uses a series of slides or individual pages to convey information to an audience. Each slide may contain text, images, charts, graphs, or other visual elements, and presentations are commonly created using software like can use Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Service, Google Service Slides, or other presentation tools. Okay, they are often used in business meetings, education settings, or public speaking engagements to help present an information in a structured and visual appealing way. Okay, this is all about a slide. So how to prepare your slide. First of all, before you prepare your slide, you need to define your purpose. By defining your purpose, you need to clearly understand the purpose of your presentation and what message you want to convey to your audience. Yes, you need to understand that. Then organize your content. You need to organize your presentation. Structure your content logically with a clear introduction, main points, and a conclusion. Then another point is that you should limit text. Don't use too much text. You don't need to use bogus texts, grammars and all those things. It should be avoid overcrowding slides with too much text. Use concise bullet points or key phrases to convey your message. Okay, and also you can use graphs to enhance understanding and engagement. Okay, another one is your font and color. What kind of fonts are you going to use? Okay, choose readable fonts, bold ones, bold readable fonts and color scheme that are easy to be seen. Okay, ensure your text contrast rhymes with the background. So rehearse your delivery. You need to rehearse. Don't just go and present something you did not rehearse. You need to rehearse your presentation to ensure a smooth delivery and familiarism. Okay, backup plans. You need to have, this is Nigeria, you understand. So what if on the day of your presentation something goes wrong, like there was no generator, those things? So you need to have a backup plan. Have a backup plan in case of technical issues. Consider having a printed copy or alternative means to convey your message. Something like this is a printed copy. So you need to have a printed aside from having your PowerPoint presentation. You need to have a printed copy in case something goes wrong. You can actually use something like this. Okay, remember the key is to keep your presentation clear, concise, and visually appealing to effectively communicate your message to your audience. This is all about your PowerPoint and your slide presentation, and I will be using this preset copy to show you everything about how to prepare it. Everything I've said here, you'll be seeing it in this printed copy. Okay, right now let's hello guys, like I said earlier, I'll be using this printed copy to show you how this slide looks like. Okay, as this is the font that I use. It is very readable, and this is my topic. I'll be, talking about this topic. Okay, before you write, you do your research and know what you are going to talk about. Okay, you decide the topic you want to defend. This is all about it. Just go ahead, do your research and write on that particular topic you want to talk about. This is all about the slide. Don't make your don't use so much vocabulary. Just make it simple and easy to understand. This is all about it. Remember, you'll be making a PowerPoint presentation with this is my backup in case something goes wrong. In case they decide to make use of this, I still have my PowerPoint. It's still the same thing, just like this is the hard copy and that is the soft copy. Okay, this is all about it. Hope you understand it. If you have any question or confusion, please do well to drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it is if it is appealing. If you like this video, please drop a thumbs up for this video. Thank you for watching.